Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off sound effects on Spin Break. So let's get started. First of all, open the Spin Break app on your device. After that, tap on the gear button that shows up on the top right corner of your screen. Next, toggle off the button besides SFX. And that's it. This is how you can turn off sound effects on Spin Break. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.